Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we are going to talk about what is going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So guys, as of right now, let me show you my trades over here on Phemex. They are exploding. As you can see, the first one here is 337% in a profit and the other one 160%. Congratulations if you followed me on those trades. If you also want to trade, guys, you will find the links in the description, and if you use my links you will always get the highest available bonuses, guys. Okay, and they are also trading tutorials for you. Okay guys, so let's go. As you can see here, I called for a long trade when let me show you guys, the EMA ribbon flipped bullish here, and I said we are forming here a bullish reversal pattern. Okay, and once we broke out, I said then we can enter a long trade, and as you can see here, the EMA ribbons flipped bullish and we went up a lot yesterday because of the news also that the Silicon Valley Bank has major problems and went bankrupt. This made the idea that the inflation will go up because the interest rates will not go higher. The US will not put the interest rates higher, so the inflation will go up. And as you know, guys, Bitcoin is a perfect hedge against inflation because the maximum number of Bitcoin that there will ever be is 21 million. Okay, as of right now you can see, guys, we are breaking even up here. We traded within this huge rising channel and we broke into it again here, and as you can see here, we are even touching now the upper resistance level right now, guys. So if you followed me and are in a trade and you are in a trade right now, of course you can always take some profits. I will wait right now if we break above this level, and then I will even scale up my trades. I will increase my trades. Yeah. Let me also show you what's going on with Ethereum. Let me show you guys. Ethereum also very bullish, and as you can see here, we broke this support line that has been going on since the end of last year, and as of right now we broke in it again, and also the same scenario as I showed you just for Bitcoin. We formed this bullish reversal pattern. EMA ribbons flipped bullish, and bam, we went off to the races, so to say. Yeah? As you can see here, we went up exactly until this resistance line at $1,760, and we are touching it right now. What will I do now, or what could you do? I mean, I hope that you followed me on these trades because they are really profitable trades. Let's see, first of all, if we stay above this previous support, previous support turns into resistance and the other way around. So this, if we stay above this line, okay, then I would scale up, or I will scale up my trades. Always do your own research, guys. Okay. Yes, so we look very bullish, guys, right now. As you can see here, the prices: Bitcoin $26,575, Ethereum $1,772. So we are very bullish. As you can see, we went up almost 10% today for Bitcoin, almost 5.4%, 5.5 as you can see here now for Ethereum. So everything looks very bullish. Let me show you the trades once again. 75% in a profit. Crazy. We are going up like crazy here, guys. Yeah, really interesting to see this. And yes, guys, yeah, this looks very bullish. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.